Do you ever feel frustrated when your car remote control suddenly has one button stopped working, even though the other buttons still function normally? And taking it to get repaired can be such a hassle. That's why, in today's video, I'll share with you how to fix this problem. First, I'll pry off this plastic cover. I'll use a metal prying tool to make it easier. Got it off. Let's set it aside neatly. Here's the inside structure of the car remote control. I'll remove these screws holding in place. I'll need to use a small screwdriver for this job. Now I'll take each screw out one by one. Since they're very small, I'll keep them organized so they don't get lost. Next, I'll remove this plastic piece as well. And here's the circuit board of the car remote. I'll take it out. We'll focus on the 3 buttons and the LED light. When I press the 2 upper buttons, the LED lights up, but when I press this button, there's no light signal, meaning the problem lies with this button. I'll pry this button open to check inside. The parts here are very small, so I'll keep them in order for easy reassembly. Inside, there's a small contact spring, which I'll carefully remove with tweezers. It's tiny, so I have to be very careful while working. This contact spring works by bending down to touch the contact point on the circuit board when you press the button, completing the circuit. When released, its elasticity pushes it back up, breaking the circuit. It seems the surface has some light rust, which reduces conductivity and causes the button to fail. Here's a small headed screwdriver. I'll use it to touch the contact points on the board inside the button's position. The LED lit up, meaning the circuit is fine. So, the cause is indeed the rusty contact spring. I'll start cleaning off the rust now. I'll place the contact spring on a tissue. Here's some WD-40. I'll spray a little on the spring. WD-40 is very effective for cleaning rust-off metal. Now I'll use sandpaper to remove the rust. Since it's small, we need to work carefully. In just a short time, all the rust is gone. I'll reinstall the contact, spring back into position. When I press it with the tweezers, the LED lights up, meaning the button is working again. Now I'll reassemble everything back to its original position. The button is back in place and functioning normally. Here's some glue. I'll apply a tiny amount to the sandpaper. I'll pick up a bit of glue with the tweezers. Then I'll apply it here to secure the button in place. Just a little is enough. Once the glue dries, everything will be firmly fixed. Time to put the circuit board back into the remote. I'll reinstall this plastic cover. Now I'll put back the small screws, placing each in the correct spot. Then I'll use a screwdriver to tighten them. And finally, I'll reattach the outer plastic cover. Done. So, I've successfully repaired my car remote control with just a few simple steps. If you encounter the same issue, give this method a try. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe so you won't miss more useful tips. Thank you very much.